As a personal trainer, you need your clients to feel connected to who you are and what you can offer. You can use social media to do this, and specifically Instagram. Let's take a further look now. The fastest growing form of online marketing is sharing images and videos. As such, it makes sense to use a social network that is entirely based around this concept. With 500 million users and over 95 million posts per day, Instagram for Business has become an essential element of social media marketing. Let's first take a look at the anatomy of a perfect Instagram profile. First, you need to choose a username that is appropriate to your brand and your target audience. Next, add a user photo. Ideally, your profile photo should be a headshot of you or an interesting logo for your business. Then you want to ensure that your profile is public. After that, add a link to your website or an Instagram specific offer to your website to make it easier for followers to go straight to your website. And finally, ensure that you add your location and location tag all of your posts. What about an effective Instagram post? In terms of content, you want to post content that is related to where your client currently is. You want to ensure that you're using high quality photographs, and you want to customize your post with filters, tags, links and hashtags. You also want to add relevant calls to action where necessary. The 6 types of Instagram posts that you could try are customer-centric, employee-centric, instructional, motivational, promotional and guest posts. Now, at the time of making this video, if you want to do paid advertising on Instagram, you can simply use the Facebook Ad Manager. Finally, if you want to download a content calendar for your Instagram content, check out the tool that we have created for you on the original lesson.